everyone, welcome to Izumi channel. Looking back to the marketing trend of automobile industry in 2021, there is no doubt that the new energy cars had caught our attention. And today we are going to know more about the injection molding process behind the new energy car. And let's go to find out more. And what do you consider about when you are purchasing a new energy vehicle? The high performance, modern outdoor designs, or the comfortable driving experience? I think all of them are very important for the drivers and even the passengers. And today, here we are is in a new model electric car with the cool interior decoration. As you can see, the dashboard, the wheel, central consoles, and the armrest trims, it touch very soft and comfortable when you touch it. And compared with the previous designs, the interior decoration has become more and more high class and premium. And behind us, the requirements of the injection molding process has changed accordingly. And today we will go to Izumi factory to explore more about the new injection molding process. And let's go. Hi, Ina.
Hi, Kelly.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
It is the ReactPro machine?
Yeah.
And here we are is want to know more about our Izumi ReactPro solution. And as you know, to adapt the development of the interior decoration of new vehicles, energy vehicles, and what are the new attempts and achievements of our Izumi ReactPro solution, and what can this kind of technology can do for us, and how?
Okay, I will introduce it to you. With the development of the economy, people's demand for the quality of automobiles continues to rise, which has brought a wave of high-end automobile interiors. Users want to enjoy the comfort of the interior environment, especially in some sensors and control effects. Izumi's ReactPro technology can meet the demand and bring various environment to customers. The technology integrates polyurethane and injection molding machine to produce automotive interior parts, short cycle time and high efficiency. Bring cost reductions. We will choose different mold technologies according to the product to achieve fast and accurate molding.
Okay, thank you for your sharing. And we want to know what are the advantages of the ReactPro solution and what are the highlight points of it.
Okay, I will show you two products. This is the engine cover and this is HMI panel. About these products, which not only self-healing and scratch-resistant properties are achieved, but also 3D textures can be seen under the PR plane. And the polyurethane thin layer to obtain more functions. ReactPro technology not only can be applied to some automotive interior parts such as dashboards, center consoles, and armrest trims, and so on. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for your detailed explanation. As the demand of the new energy vehicles is growing fastly, and I believe that the ReactPro solution will play a critical role in the future, and it will satisfy our various customer needs. And if you want to know more about our new injection molding process applies in the new energy cars, please pay attention to our Izumi official website and the social media. And see you in that episode, and bye-bye!